Today, I am going to be introducing to you a website which I've actually been using, which you can actually make as much as 1000 naira just by referring somebody to the website. I have been using this website and I have actually withdrawn from this website, and I can tell you that this website is actually 100% legit. So, if you can just spare little minutes out of your time, I will introduce this website to you, and in the end I'm going to be showing you a trick to how I actually made money on this website. My name is Akere, as you know, and welcome back to my channel. So the website which I'm introducing to you today is Sequest. The name of the website is Sequest. So sequest.com, and if you come on this website, you will see how everything actually looks clean. Of course, when you scroll down, you will see the jobs that people have actually completed, but today we are not going to be focusing on the tax, which you can actually do because the tax don't really pay more. The tax pay just 10 naira, 20 naira, 30 naira, which is not what we are going to be doing. We are not doing that. So how we are going to be able to make 1000 naira for everyone which we withdraw, which we refer, is what I'm going to be introducing to you today. So when you scroll up on this website, of course you need to register on this website. After you scroll up, let's click on jobs just for you to actually see what's on their jobs. But we are not going to be focusing on the jobs. Like I said, you can see they are as low as 15 naira, they are as low as 5 naira, and so on and so forth. Of course, you can also do this because there are small tasks in which you can actually complete. Yeah, they are really small tasks, but then we are going to be focusing on 1000 naira. Imagine if you can actually get 1000 naira per person which you refer. That means at the end of the day, if you can actually refer 10 people, that is 10,000 naira per day. And guess what, if you can actually refer as much as you want, that means in a week you can actually get up to 50,000 to whatever amount of people you can refer on this website. Is that easy? You don't need to do much, so let me just show you what you need to do. Come onto your dashboard here, and when you get to the dashboard, just before I show you, I'm going to show you, as you can see, I've already withdrawn 14,000 naira on this website. Yes, I withdrew 14,000 naira on this website. I told you this is 100% legit and you have nothing to worry about. By the time you request to get your money, in less than 2-3 hours, your money is going to be deposited into your Nigeria bank account immediately. So when you click on the referral, when you click under my affiliate, you will see what I'm telling you about. So this is my affiliate, and you see as many people which I've referred, which of course not everybody which you refer are going to register and start working on the website for you to get the money, but you can refer as many people as possible. Hold on, I'm going to show you the trick how I actually refer this many people. So how do you refer on this website? How do you refer actually? So when you click on my affiliate, when you click on my affiliate, you are going to get a code or a link which you have to use to refer people. So under my affiliate, when you come here, so just give me a second and I'm going to show you how you are going to do this. When you click under my affiliate, you are going to see the people which you have actually referred to the program already. And when you click on affiliate commission, you see I have 1000 naira already. Aside from the people which I already refer, I have 1000 naira already. So I said when you click on my affiliate, you see everybody which you have actually referred. So for you to actually refer people also, just click on dashboard. When you click on dashboard here, when you click on dashboard and scroll down a little, you will see a link here. You see this link here. This is the link which you are going to be sharing with people. You can see the referral code here. This is the link in which you can actually copy and which you can actually send to many people as possible. As you send this link to people, once they register on the website, mind you, for you to register on this website, you have to pay 2,000 naira. So you pay 2,000 naira to register on this website. So after you've paid 2,000 naira to register on this website, and then you start referring people, once they register also and pay 2,000 naira, you get 1,000 naira from their registration. So that is how it works. So as many people as which you can actually refer, and that is what you can get. So you copy your link, and then how was I able to refer so many people? You can actually copy it to your social media. On Twitter, for example, you are going to get a lot of people registering from Twitter, or you can also share it on your WhatsApp status. You can share it on Instagram, and you can share it within your friends. Just tell your friends, I found this website, and you just send a broadcast message to people. Once they register, you get 1,000 naira immediately. So that is how it actually works on this platform. Click on your dashboard again, and then you see how much which have already withdraw from this website. And then when you ask for withdrawal, let's go to my transaction. So when you come to transaction, you will see what I've already withdrawn. You see here, I was able to withdraw minus 2,000 naira, and it was deposited to the bank. And you can see here also, I also withdraw minus 12,000 naira. That was in September, and it was also deposited in my bank account. So that is how it was. You see the payment proof, and you can see how genuine this website is. I have 1,000 naira also, and guess what? Their withdrawal amount, the amount of money you need to have in your account to withdraw, is actually 1,000 naira. So you don't need to wait till where you have 5,000, 10,000, 100,000. You can withdraw as low as 1,000 naira from this website. So this is the website which I actually wanted to introduce to you today. I hope you actually like this website. You can just try it, and if you've tried it before also, you can just put a comment in the comment section to let me know if you've tried and if it's actually worked for you. But I will repeat this once again, this is 100% legit because I have already withdrawn, and I can testify that they pay 100%. So until I catch you in the next one, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because there is more to come for you on this channel. I'll see you in the next one. I remain my other self, Akere. And you guess what? Stay cool.